Have you ever walked up and touched Robert Wilder during an interview? Then how do you know he's not a hologram if you
It's
haven't?
a really good question. And the plot thickens. Your eyes do not deceive you, or do they? In tonight's Edge on the Screen.
What other star, what other musician would you like to see come back as a hologram?
Oh, I would love Notorious B.I.G. to come back as a hologram.
Holograms can fight each other?
Or Jam Master Jay.
Okay.
That would be good. Michael Jackson, but I'm sure they've done something with him already.
I said just pick one.
Oh, just one? Sorry. Notorious B.I.G.
All right. I was kidding, by the way.
Oh.
All right, so who would you want to see come back as a hologram?
Let's go with Jimi Hendrix.
Yeah. Why is that?
Be good to see a classic come in. I was never around to see it, so it'd be great to see.
The awesome guitarist.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Woodstock, you know.
Yeah.
That again.
Maybe the whole festival can come back as a hologram.
Woodstock as a hologram, I'd go.
I would like Marvin Gaye.
Yeah.
Marvin Gaye.
All right. What's going on?
What's going on? That's right.
Probably Elvis.
Oh, yeah?
Probably Elvis. Because he had some good songs and good stuff and brought in rock and roll. So I think Elvis would be good.
Elvis is awesome. Which Elvis? Fat Elvis? 50s Elvis?
All
All
A
Elvis.
little bit of everything.
Okay. That'd be a great concept.
Technology today, you can put them over here, put them over there, put them over there.
That's right. A whole generation of Elvis.
Yes, and get a little bit of both.
You do a little.
No.
Do you yourself sometimes feel like a hologram?
No.
No?
No, I
You don't want to.
don't. No.
He was a very historical person so far as, back in Jamaica as, a reggae star,
Sure.
Yeah, Bob Marley would be one of my favorites, yes.
Yeah, our first time to see a stoned hologram.
Yeah.
Now that would freak the Marley fans out. Am I seeing what I think I'm seeing? Holy crap. Yeah, that would be the best. You got to do
I just want him to film the audience.
Yes.